If you ever wondered how our done-for-you hair store businesses work, our pre-built Shopify hair stores, this video will explain everything you need to know on how you can start your own hair business without any inventory with our pre-built Shopify hair stores. Now let's get into what is a pre-built Shopify hair store. So my done-for-you hair stores are fully designed Shopify websites that are ready for you to customize and launch. Each store comes with about 10 to 20 hair products already imported, and the vendor will be synced, a trusted dropshipping supplier. So you don't have to spend hours building a website or adding inventory yourself. You can just personalize it with your logo, business name, and domain, and then start marketing and selling. And if you want to know what type of hair stores we got or what do they look like, click the link in the description. We do have different types of stores as far as hair, like different colors. So if you want to start your own hair business and you want the website to already be designed and you don't want to hold the inventory and you don't know how to find vendors that will hold the inventory for you, click the link in the description to check out our pre-built hair stores today. And if you want to know what's included with each hair store package, because we do have different packages, pretty much the difference is how many items you want synced, and if you would like a sample from the vendor, which we can provide, or a 30-day content plan or done-for-you hair videos, which is only included in the CEO package. As you can see the price on the screen, pretty much we have like the starter kit all the way to the CEO, which is like the best kit because it comes with a sample. And this is pretty much how it works. So you will pretty much pick your kit. We then upload a logo that we have pre-made with your business name on it, and then you can start selling. No tech skills needed, no inventory required, just results. So you can pretty much just choose your hair kit in the link in the description for more information as well. Now, we don't just leave you hanging. We also include a couple of free guides. So every store will get the Learn Your Digital Store guide. It's pretty much what to do, after you receive your store, after we send it by email, because it does take about a few days to receive your store, 5 to 7 business days, because we do have to build it and make it, because we do need a temporary domain name that you get to choose. And then the 30-day hair content plan, like I said, is only included in the CEO kit. And if you're wondering what the samples look like, they pretty much come in like bundles, wigs, or even half wigs. You do get to pick your sample. You do get one free sample if you get the CEO kit. And I will be doing more reviews and stuff for more vendors and samples. If you want to check out these videos, check out the shorts section on my YouTube channel. And if you're wondering who this is for, this could be for anyone who wants to pretty much start a hair business but feels overwhelmed by the process. Maybe you don't want to spend thousands on inventory, you don't know how to design a professional Shopify store, or you're struggling to find trusted vendors. My done-for-you hair stores give you the foundation you need to launch without starting from zero. Now, here are our most asked questions. What type of hair is included in these pre-built hair stores? It's 100% human hair, Brazilian, Indian, Burmese, 12A grade. It'll be like a mix of bundles, wigs, and closures, and glueless wigs as well. How does the packaging come? So the package comes from the vendor, which will go straight to your customer. It'll be like blind ship. It will be like an all white package. Your vendor's information will not be on the package. It will say like your business information. And you're wondering, how do you make sales? Pretty much you can use our 30-day content plan. You can use the sample if you choose to get one, and you will create content around that sample. And then when will you receive your store? You receive it within 5 to 7 business days by email. And yes, we will sync the vendor for you. So this is pretty much how you can start. You will scroll to our description or the comment section. I always pin the direct link there. You will visit my website, and then you can pick which store package you like, add to cart, check out, and then you can wait for us to text you within 24 hours. We'll pretty much just confirm everything in your domain name. And yeah, from there, you'll pretty much be able to start your own hair business. I do hope this video was helpful. Leave your questions down below. I will answer them. And you can even chat with me on my website down below in the description or the comment section for an instant reply. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.